Hello everyone and welcome back to Turner's Tutoring. I'm Mr. Turner and we're going to get into our math video today. In this one we're going to be doing factors, and it can probably go closer to 4th and 5th grade, but if you're in 3rd grade as well, this is a good video for you to start watching and start learning from. That being said, let's go ahead and get into it. It is factors. So what is a factor? A factor is something that multiplies with another factor, or like with these, to make the result or the product. So that being said, if I have 27, my factors are 1, 3, 9, and 27, and I know this by my multiplication facts of 1 and 27 make 27, and 3 and 9 when I multiply them together. Let's go ahead and get into it. We're going to start with the arrays.
Match the arrays to the factors of 12 that they represent.
And we're looking at these different sides. So when we're looking at the array, how many are on one side compared to the other? So 1 and 12 definitely goes to this one. 2 and 6, I see 2 and 6, and then 3 and 4.
Select all the factors of 12.
So then I have to ask myself, what times what gives me 12? Well, I know 1 and 12 give me 12. I know 2 and 6 and 3 and 4. And what I've done is I've worked my way.
Which array can help you find factors of 15?
I worked my way in from that. So which array can help you find factors of 15? This one represents 3 on this side and 5 on top, so 3 times 5 can give it to me. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there'd be 5 times 5, and that one can't, so it's definitely 3 by 5.
Select the numbers that are factors of 15. Use the array to help you.
3 and 5.
Which array can help you find factors of 21?
I want to be thinking about multiples of 21. I don't see 1 and 21. I've got 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on this side. That one's our array because it's 3 times 7. 1, 2, 3, and then that has less, so it definitely has to be that one.
Select the numbers that are factors of 21. Use the array to help you.
Technically, I'd start from the left to the right, so this side to the top side, so 7 and 3. To help me find 25. So our multiple is 5 times 5, and it's going to be this one. This one's got way too many, and technically you could count all them out. That's the nice thing about arrays, but we're not going to count them. We're just going to go by our multiplication facts. 5 times 5. To find 30, so 30 would be 6 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And we can double check on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 6 and 5, or 5 times 6, or 6 times 5. To make 35, this one is 5 by 5. We've already used that for 25, so it can't be that. Our multiple is 5 times 7. 5 on this side, 7 on top. Five and 7. Which array can help you find factors of 42? Well, this is 5 on top, and since it's 5, it can't get us to 42 because it either has to end in 5 or end in 0. So let's look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times what gives you 42? And it should be 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 and 7.
Terrific. The crown suits you.
So that's our first video that we're going to do on factors. And in the future, we might do the rest of these, but I think this makes a complete video, so we're good. We practiced arrays to try to find factors of our multiples. Thank you again for joining me. I'm Mr. Turner with Turner's Tutoring. If you found this video beneficial, please, please, please help show YouTube that you like my videos by liking the video, subscribing if you haven't done so already, and what would be a huge help is to go and share our videos with your friends who have not subscribed or seen the channel yet. Thank you again, and have a wonderful rest of your day.